Alright guys, welcome back to the garage. So I just pulled the carburetor off the yerf dog I just picked up. And yeah, it looks green. And then down there in the bottom, it's some nasty black stuff it looks like. And then move this over here, and it's got some green on it too. So I need to pick up some carb cleaner. But for now, I want to hear this run. I checked, it does have spark. So I have the little quad chopper sitting here, and I'm gonna rob the carburetor off it real quick. Throw it on, bring you guys back, and see if this thing fires up. So hold on just a second. Alright guys, so after about 15-20 minutes, maybe a little longer, I took this completely apart, pulled both the jets all the way out, and cleaned them. So I didn't rob the one from over here, but I'm gonna throw this on there and see if it'll fire up. Alright guys, so the carburetor's on, has fresh gas in the tank. Turn the petcock on, let it flow. Checking for leaks. Don't know how well you can see, but last time it was leaking out down here. So, doesn't look like it's leaking, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to kick it over. Grab my kill switch from over here though. It's late, so don't want to run it too long. And it's leaking fuel, so we'll shut the fuel off. Alright guys, I'm gonna keep kicking it and bring it back. I'm gonna adjust the idle screw. I never adjusted the idle. Grab the screwdriver. Never adjusted. There we go. Alright guys, well it lives, so that's all for this part. I might pick it up, I'm not sure, but see you guys in the next one.